Welcome to my YouTube channel, philippospan. Weekly tips and tricks on how to work with Microsoft Office applications. Be wise and subscribe.
Today's video will be about Microsoft PowerPoint.
How to use Slide Master View in Microsoft PowerPoint. With the Slide Master View in Microsoft PowerPoint, we can quickly modify the slides and the slides layout in our presentation. When we edit the Slide Master, the changes will affect every slide in the presentation. In a few words, Slide Masters controls the design for all the slides that are using the master at the same time. To use the Slide Master View, we must select the View tab and locate the area from the left named Master Views. If we hover over the command Slide Master, we are notified. Master slides control the look of our entire presentation, including colors, fonts, backgrounds, effects, and just about everything else. We can insert a shape or a logo on a Slide Master, and for example, it will show up on all our slides automatically. We just select the command and we are transferred into Slide Master View. The Slide Master tab gets activated. The Slide Master tab is separated in the following areas: Edit Master area, Insert a Slide Master, where we add a new Slide Master to the presentation. Insert Layout. We can add a custom layout to the master slide set. Once it is created, we can easily add slides that match the new layout to our presentation. Delete. We will remove this slide from our presentation. Rename. We can rename our custom layout so we can find it easily in the Layout Gallery. Preserve. We can preserve the selected master so that it remains with the presentation even if it's not used. Master Layout area. Master Layout. We can select the elements to include in the Slide Master. Insert Placeholder. We insert content by adding a placeholder to the slide layout, so it holds the content such as a picture, table, media, or text. We just click the arrow to select the specific type of content placeholder that we want to add. Title. We can show or hide the title placeholder on this slide. Footers. We can show or hide the footer placeholders. Edit Theme area. Themes. Each theme uses its own unique set of colors, fonts, and effects to create the overall look and feel of our slides. PowerPoint has tons of themes to give our presentation just the right personality. We just right-click any theme for more ways to apply it. Background area. Colors. We are notified with the current color used. By using the command, it will update the colors available to us in the color picker along with any theme colors in our document. No matter what palette we choose, our document will look perfectly coordinated. Fonts. We are notified with the current font used. We can quickly change the text in our document by picking a new font set. This is an easy way to change all our text at once. For this to work, our text must be formatted using the body and heading fonts. Effects. We are notified with the current theme effects used. We can quickly change the general look of objects in our document. Each option uses various borders and visual effects, such as shading and show, to give our objects a different look. Background styles. We can select a background style for the current theme. We just right-click on any style for more ways to apply it. Hide background graphics. We can hide any graphics on the slide that are part of the background theme. Size area. Slide size. We can change the size of the slides in the presentation. And close, where we just close the master view. For example, I will insert an image in the slide master layout. Once inserted, I place it into the position that I need it and that it doesn't interfere. Then I will change the font of the heading text in the master title. I will also change the theme into another one in the slide master layout. Finally, I format the bulleting from the master text styles. Every time we change something in the slide master layout, we notice that the changes are applied immediately at all the slide masters in the presentation. When we press the close button to exit the slide master view, we can see that all the changes and formatting have been applied to all the elements that we changed in the slide master, just by using the slide master view. With just a few clicks, we modify the design for more than one slide at the same time, just by using the slide master view. By adjusting our slide master, each slide that uses a master will have the same changes.
Thank you for watching. If you liked what you saw in this video, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, head down to the comment section and let me know. Be wise and subscribe.